This is Richard. Around 1 year ago, he faced a phone nightmare when it slipped from his hand, its glass cracked without care. He panicked and searched for a quick fix to mend his phone's screen and end this mix. Richard stumbled upon iTech Xpress online, a renowned repair store that's truly divine. Hurriedly, he browsed iTechXpressInc.com as he wanted to explore more about them. Their website promised factory-grade repair for all kinds of phone issues with a guarantee. Richard called them up at 626-777-4747 as their number was on display, and their experts helped him without delay. With iTech Xpress's expert assistance, he got his phone back, as good as new, within a few days. So, do you need a same-day fix for your cell phone like Richard? Just reach out to iTech Xpress today.